I hate when people say कि लड़कियां क्यों स्पोर्ट्स देख रही हैं. I hate it. They are like कि अच्छा ये देख रहे हो तुम, बताओ कि ड्राइवर का नाम क्या है.
Oh God, yeah.
Why are you doing that?
Action.
Hi, I'm Kanchi,
And I'm Ria.
and you're officially part of the Slumber Party squad.
So welcome back to the Spoke Too Soon pod.
And today we have an icon with us. Ria, please nod.
yes, we do. Welcome,
Let's
Manav.
go. Thank you guys. What a introduction. मजा आ
This
गया.
is a thing we do. Like, we make a rhyme for the person.
Love it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But you are actually an icon. And by the way, we were so nervous to have you on the pod.
What?
We are still nervous.
Why?
Because it's like, you know, we've always had like our friends, like who are our age, who are
I'm
very.
not your friend.
You are our friend. But like. but you're also
Yeah.
a living legend, you know.
Wow.
Yeah,
ये
in the content
introduction.
industry, bro.
ये पहले आते ही मेरे को
I'll
इन्होंने.
give you context to that.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
So,
yes,
if you
please.
remember, about 5 years back, when Unnati and Tanzeel made the Najdi Tu music video,
Yes.
we were in that.
I was there for the BTS.
And you were
yeah.
there for the shoot also,
Yes.
and I was with Ria, and Ria didn't know like who you were, and also I was telling her, Ria, that's Manav, that's from Damn Fam. Have you seen him? And then Ria went home and saw you,
I
and then
binge watched all your
Yes.
vlogs.
Wow.
and then now like you are on our podcast.
That's full circle moment.
Literally.
Genuinely.
That's so sweet, guys. Thank you so much.
At that time, we weren't even content creators. At that time,
We were just doing for time pass.
Yeah, for masti.
Guys, अभी उल्टा हो गया. I'm fan of your guys now.
Oh.
मैं कोई podcast
Please,
में आया ही नहीं हूँ guys. अभी तक मैं कोई podcast में नहीं आया हूँ. This is my first podcast and with you guys.
Debut podcast.
Let's
Mana's
go.
debut podcast. Bro, genuinely couldn't believe that you have not been on a podcast yet.
Yeah, I don't know. मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ज़्यादा नहीं हूँ ऐसा कि मैं comfortable हो
Yeah.
जाता हूँ लोगों के साथ. So I think मैं आपसे सबसे काफी टाइम से जानता हूँ, तो it's easier.
Yeah,
to
I think
do
podcast पे you
conversation.
need that comfort because you have to talk.
That's true. I think मैं यहाँ से थोड़ा खुल जाऊँगा, then I can go. This
After
is my.
this, if MNV comes on your podcast, tell
That's
me
because of
thanks.
them. Yeah, because मैं comfortable हो चुका हूँ podcast के लिए.
Guys, by the way, Manav got us flowers.
Yes. Sweet.
I managed.
Guys, बारिश में like I don't know how you went and got off or got anything. Like how did you get us?
Because मेरे पास थार है, तो it was easier to drive. बाकी cars तो मैं देख रहा था कि रुक रही थी, तो वही
Wow.
इससे manage हो पाया.
Too
Promotion हो
sweet.
गई है देखो गाड़ी की. मैं sponsor
Not
नहीं.
sponsored.
But please sponsor Thar. Sponsor Manav.
Okay, so you tell us that first of all, so Bombay is not your home city, right?
Yeah.
Now it is.
Now it is, yeah.
But how was the whole shift? Like, and when did you come here?
It was in 2019. ये मेरे mind में पहले था कि I'll move after completing my degree. So I was waiting. 2017 से मेरे pressure start हो गया था सारे friends का कि what are you doing? You have to come in Mumbai. मैं जाता रहता था वैसे महीने में 1-2 बारी, but वो प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा था कि यहाँ पे आई थिंक बहुत लोग ड्रॉप कर देते हैं कॉलेजेस एक पॉइंट पे आके. हमारे वहाँ पे बहुत रेयर है वो. तो मैं सारे को सब मेरे को बोल रहे हैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स की ड्रॉप कर देना, आजा तू, अभी इतना तो हो रहा है, इतना यहाँ पे इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिस कर रहा है. I was like नहीं यार, मेरे को डिग्री तो करनी है. मतलब I'm liking it.
Yeah.
I was liking law is very interesting.
By the way, Manav is a lawyer. For anyone
Yeah.
who didn't know.
So I've done law. I've not like practiced
Practiced.
it, but I have my law degree. So 2017, 18, it was like difficult for me. I was seeing people getting more famous because they were in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Because they were getting more opportunities, and I was like, let's wait. In 2019, after completing my like whole degree, me and Arsh, we were like, we have to go because this is high time now. And खत्म करते ही 1 महीने बाद we were in Mumbai.
But at that point, you were already making videos.
Yes, I was making videos. I started in 2016.
It's almost been 10 years.
Yeah, so it's
Wow.
been काफी time हो गया. 2016 से 2019 तक I was doing it in my college. वो भी अलग डिफिकल्ट चीज है बिकॉज कॉलेज पता है बॉयज हॉस्टल है. वहाँ पे आप वीडियोस बना रहे हो, किसी ने देख लिया तो ये क्या कर रहे हैं. उस टाइम पे ये था क्रिंज कंटेंट लोगों के लिए. लोग बोल रहे थे कि क्या कर रहे हो, मतलब
Yes.
कि मतलब वीडियोस ये सब क्या है भाई, ये वर्टिकल कंटेंट किसने देखा नहीं. तो इट वाज थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट. एंड वहां से निकल के आफ्टर कमिंग टू मुंबई, ओह माय गॉड, दैट वाज लाइक अ गेम चेंजिंग मूव फॉर मी. मुंबई मतलब यू हैव टू बी इन मुंबई इफ यू आर अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर. दिस इज द सिटी ऑफ ड्रीम्स. ऐसे नहीं बोलते यार, मतलब मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा in a good way मेरा change आया, and I have to change a lot of things in me because मुंबई में आके like I was studying in होशियारपुर, तो वहाँ पे मतलब इतना आपको communication लोगों के साथ नहीं करना पड़ा। मुंबई में आके आपको हर event पे जाके you have to talk to like 100 people,
networking, social
networking, and मेरा English भी इतना strong नहीं था because I was in Punjab, all my life I was in Punjab.
हाँ.
So वहाँ से निकलना सीधा मुंबई जाना,
Yeah.
ऐसा भी नहीं कि मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ, दिल्ली if I'm going it's
still
easier
doable.
Yes.
because बहुत पंजाबी हैं and I can communicate. Mumbai is like a proper shift and I was like okay this is थोड़ा tough but let's manage, and मेरे साथ I think it was easier because अर्श भी मेरे साथ
Yeah.
हुआ था तो हम दोनों figure out कर रहे थे, and then yeah I made a lot of changes. मैं बहुत shy था, मतलब अभी मैं
Really?
conversation कर रहा हूँ, yeah I was very shy.
I can't picture you being shy.
No, I am. I'm still shy with new people, but I was very shy and I had like strong stage fear. जो मैंने college में थोड़ा निकाल लिया था because I was in the Bhangra team. But मुंबई
Bro,
में आके
Bhangra team, I see that. I
हाँ,
totally
उससे कॉलेज की भांगड़ा टीम होती है वहाँ पे पंजाब में हर की, तो उसमें मैं था, तो वहाँ से मेरा थोड़ा निकला था, बट व्हेन आई केम टू लाइक ऑल दीज एमएनजीज मीट एंड ग्रीट, एंड वो बोलते थे कि आपको परफॉर्म तो करना ही, आप मिलने थोड़ी आए हो सिर्फ,
Yeah.
क्रिएटर से आपको परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा, एंड वहाँ पे आई थिंक मेरा वो पूरा स्टेज फियर निकला, बिकॉज मीटिंग वहाँ पे एमएनजी में यू हैव टू मीट लाइक
hundreds
Different
of people.
creators, right?
क्रिएटर्स एंड लाइक पीपल वहाँ पे एमएनजीज में आ रहे थे लोग उस टाइम पे,
Yes.
इस टाइम पे अगर मैं कंपेयर करूँ ना तो मतलब उस टाइम पे ज्यादा हाइप था मेरे साथ।
Still, a lot of people would show up for you if you did a meet and greet.
I don't think you've done anything like
उसके
that.
बाद we have not done anything.
You should.
The last time I think I met a lot of people was TK's concert.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that was the last time. उसके बाद a lot of people come to our house.
They know your location.
Some they figure मतलब
Yeah,
वो
I think it's
लोग-
easy if someone watches his videos every day or something.
हाँ
they can
मतलब
figure
कई
out.
लोगों को पता है, but बहुत हमारा I'm so like happy, हमारे सारी audience is so respectful.
Yes.
Yes.
वो आते हैं and वो wait करते हैं, मतलब they'll not even tell the security guys
We'll wait outside the building.
they'll wait outside and they'll text us on DM कि if you are free then come, and अगर हम देख लेते हैं तो हम चले जाते हैं of course, but अगर नहीं देख पाते then they go back and then they come. They're so respectful.
Bro, I want to say this that Damfam and all of these people, their following is a cult.
Yeah.
Yeah, मतलब cult and like super sweet people, we have seen them grow.
Yeah.
Like जब हमने start किया था कई लोग 11-12 की एज के थे, and अभी
15-16.
बहुत ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस हुए हैं कि मी एंड उन्नति वेंट टू उदयपुर फॉर अ मर्क शूट, वहां पे जो पूरा स्टाफ था, जो उनके मैनेजर थे, दे सेड कि हम स्कूल में थे जब आपकी वीडियोस देखते थे हम, और व्हाट
That is so
But
cool.
1 minute, I was also in
In
Cool.
school.
Yeah.
not school, but like 11th standard, so
Yes.
almost
That's
school.
cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
अच्छा, and not
In
in
Bombay,
Mumbai.
it's junior
Sorry,
college.
sorry,
Yeah.
sorry. My bad. Yeah.
That's how I saw, like
Yeah.
on TikTok, I was seeing all the group videos and
Yeah.
all.
Yeah.
So वो इतना मेरे को हिट हुआ ना कि आप स्कूल में तो जब हमारे वीडियोस देखते थे, now you are managing, मतलब the work we are doing, that was crazy.
That's insane.
That's insane.
Listen, you know, I feel like Damfam followers, supporters in general
Yeah.
are very supportive of anyone that you also like talk to.
True.
Like, because see, for us, as we said, we started with Nachdi too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So at that time, no one knew who we were.
We had,
so
like-
our first followers and
Okay,
supporters
so that was Dam Fam
were
people.
Dam Fam ka TK ka followers.
Yes.
So sweet.
They spotted us and they would tag us in the edits and
That's so
all.
sweet.
Yeah.
And we were what? We basically had like 8K followers or something like that.
And you were like, ये लोग कौन आ रहे हैं, हमें टैग कर रहे हैं. Yeah, they do that and that's very sweet.
It's
कि वो
very
देखेंगे कि कोई भी हमारे से connected है, कोई भी, अगर वो creator भी ना हो.
Yes.
Like they are friends. जैसे मेरे पंजाब में जो मेरे बचपन से मेरे friends हैं, उनको भी वो उतना ही support करते हैं जितना हमें करते हैं.
Yeah.
So that's, I think, that's the
It's
thing
so
that we
sweet.
have earned.
What was different that time, like when you say the TikTok Musically era and now, like what do you miss now?
About that.
Everything. I
Yeah?
think that era was very good. That was very chill. अभी content creation को सबने as a profession बना लिया. Very
Business
professional.
है.
Very business profession. Very like entho about it, which is a good thing. But उस time पे
It was मजा.
It was fun. And मेरा अभी भी aim यही रहता है कि वो हमेशा fun रहे. मैं उसको work की तरह नहीं कभी treat करना चाहता. So for me it's always fun.
Yeah.
कि अगर मैं content भी बना रहा हूँ तो fun ही रहना चाहिए. जब वो profession बनने लग गया, I'll switch. I'll do something else.
Really?
Yeah. So वो मेरा भी aim वैसा ही है कि मैं fun की तरह content बनाता रहूँ. And अभी भी मैं वही try करता हूँ कि मतलब of course branded content को मैं बहुत seriously लेता हूँ, वो सब अच्छे से करता हूँ. But जो मेरा organic content है, I want it to be very fun. And उस time यही होता था. उस time पे what we are doing is like we're just creating
Yeah,
content.
like no one ever ever
make fun
brainstormed or
videos.
scripted or like did
Script
anything
तो
like
चलो
that?
भूल ही जाओ, we had no expectations also
Yeah.
कि we were posting content and मजा आ रहा है and लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है, ठीक है जो भी है, but हम कर रहे हैं because there are very few people. Now the whole India is doing it and there's so much competition. I'll say we are so lucky we did at that point.
I
Because
agree.
अगर मेरे को अभी creator बनना है,
It'll be
No.
because people are so good, so talented and इतना crazy content. I think we are surviving because हमने पहले से शुरू किया है and we are
No, one
consistent.
sec. I want to cut you off. I genuinely want to cut you off because Manav and Unnati hosted this event at Wagamama. Okay, and now something very basic which you wouldn't even think is a skill. It truly is a skill. We were taking a girl's picture. Okay, Sahil was there, someone else was there, and Manav was there. And Sahil takes the worst pictures. I don't know why. I don't know how. He's also a content creator, but he can't take good pictures. Okay, Kanchi is always fighting with him about this. Manav in 2 seconds, like I kid you not, has taken the perfect picture. All lines are straight, light is perfect. Like it's so perfect that Wagamama reposted it on their feed.
Oh wow, ये नहीं मैंने
Yes,
देखा.
yeah.
But yeah, वो इतनी practice तो हो गई
That
मेरे को.
skill,
Yeah,
that is
that's
also
a skill.
talent.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so the way you capture certain things, like when you
Yeah.
go on a trip,
Yeah.
and when you show us what Sri Lanka looks like, for example, or what London looks like. When I go to that same place, I'm like, why can't I capture it like Manav?
Okay,
Because
yeah.
that is a skill.
Yeah, that's a skill.
So
and I think
don't
that
be humble about it.
Okay.
that comes from like when you all started, you all were doing everything on your own,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
editing every single video on
Still,
your own.
I edit
right?
my videos.
YouTube
yeah.
also.
Yeah.
Damn.
Wow, that's
I love editing. मेरे को ऐसा है कि मैं ज़्यादा देर बैठ नहीं पाता हूँ कि मेरे को edit के लिए ज़्यादा देर बैठना है, but I love editing my videos. I think that's the thing I love the most. Shoot भी कभी-कभी हम खुद कर लेते हैं, but अभी तो चलो team है, so it's easier. But I'll say Sahil clicks good pictures. guys.
Ah.
मेरी सब पिक्चर्स उसने खींची है श्रीलंका में. What are you saying? It's so good. Because मेरे को कि किसको बोलो, फिर मेरे को साहिल को बोलता है. साहिल बोलता है कि मैं आपकी crazy pictures खींचूंगा. And he did. और जब मैंने सारी awards वाली डाली थी, वो साहिल,
What?
What are you doing,
Highly
guys?
doubted.
Sahil, I'm with you.
Promise it's Sahil.
It's Sahil.
How
Sahil is
come he
getting
doesn't-
better. I think Kanchi is
Training.
I don't think he's taking my good picture.
Yeah.
वो
he's
फिर
never
कुछ
taken
पर्सनल हो
out.
सकता है. I don't know. मेरी तो बहुत अच्छी खींची उसने.
That's so funny.
But how did all of y'all, like, did you all know each other pehle se, or you all just saw on the internet
No,
and
no,
then
no.
like
It
let's
was
meet
very
kind of?
very slowly. मतलब ये I think मैंने पहले भी हमने बताया हुआ है कि बहुत slowly ये हुआ था. स्टार्टिंग में कैसे फ्रेंड्स बने, मैं और हर्ष तो पहले से थे. देन मैं अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बता रहा हूँ, बाकियों का अलग अलग होगा. मैं और हर्ष पहले फ्रेंड थे. देन वी मेट संकेत बिकॉज ही वाज फ्रॉम पंजाब. ही वाज क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट. देन वी नो कि संकेत है, हर्ष है. देन वी वेंट टू अ दिल्ली एमएनजी जहाँ पे मैं आशी से कॉन्वर्सेशन होती थी, बट वहाँ पे भी मेट आशी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो हम 4 नॉर्थ साइड के हो गए पहले. मतलब
crazy.
ये यहाँ पे हम हो गए. उसके बाद देन वी वेंट टू इवेंट इन दिल्ली ओनली, जहाँ से मुंबई के लोग भी आए थे. वहाँ पे आई मेट उन्नति एंड आशना. वहाँ पे भी मेट, तो वहाँ पे और थोड़ा हो गया. सॉरी, तंजील कैसे भूल गया. तंजील को तो मैं सबसे पहले मिला हूँ बैंगलोर एमएनजी में. सो मी एंड अर्श मेट तंजील एट बैंगलोर एमएनजी.
Wait, who used to host these meet and greets?
TikTok.
TikTok, musically.
Some MNGs were private कि मतलब खुद कोई कर रहा है. And some were like hosted. वो support करता था musically उसको. अगर आप करना चाहते हो आप करो, we'll support you.
That's
तो
crazy.
वैसा था.
This is like a
This doesn't exist anymore.
No, but that was very fun for us because that was the only travel we did at that
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
कि आप MNGs के लिए travel कर रहे हो, वहाँ पे आप लोगों से मिल रहे हो, and उसी के कारण ये सब
and
हुआ.
you make content there.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of content
Yeah.
like.
And you meet a lot of people in the
a
industry
lot of people. All the creators I've met mostly are through MNGs only.
Wow.
Starting में. And वहाँ पे DK से I met. Then we moved to Mumbai. And that was the move because मेरे को और अर्श को पता ही था कि मुंबई में कैसे वर्क करता है, कहाँ पे हमें घर लेना है. Then हमें पता लगा कि आशी के कुछ फ्रेंड्स हैं जो ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे रहते हैं. They are trying to move कहीं और. तो हमने सोचा 1 महीना उनके पास रहा है, उनके पास रह लेते हैं. That was ऋषभ एंड आडी. तो उनके घर पे we stayed.
That's crazy.
तो उनके घर पे हम 1 महीना रुके. And वो भी मूव करने वाले
But
थे.
Rishabh is from Delhi. Now even
Yeah.
Adi is from Delhi.
Yeah. So they were doing, they were learning acting.
What?
Yeah, they did a
What is happening?
they did a 1-year acting course in Mumbai.
हाँ.
जो उनके कहीं काम नहीं आया अभी तक. बस इसमें काम आ रहा है जो कंटेंट बना रहे हैं उसमें of course उनको हेल्प करता होगा. But वो उन्होंने किया हुआ था and उनको भी नहीं पता था हम क्या कर रहे हैं मुंबई में. तो
So
we
you all met for the first time, like
yeah, and हम उनके साथ रहे 1 महीना वहाँ
Wow.
पे. And they were like कि हमारा भी खत्म हो रहा है यहाँ पे. हमने बोला हमें भी ढूंढना है तो चलो. हमने चारों ने फिर एक नया घर लिया साथ में रेंट पे एंड वहाँ पे हम रहे एंड उस 1 month के फेज में मी एंड अर्श वर लाइक व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, मतलब आप यहाँ पे क्या करते हो, वो एक्टिंग कर रहे बट अभी कुछ नहीं पता, तो वी वर लाइक हम तब बहुत एंथो थे कि तुम भी कंटेंट बनाओ, तुम क्या कर रहे हो, क्या ऋषभ बोल रहा है मेरा कुछ बीटी है, मेरा अकाउंट उठ जाता है जब मैं बनाता हूँ, उसका कुछ प्रॉब्लम था, कि आप उसको बुला के पूछना पॉडकास्ट में, ये अलग स्टोरी है। तो वो मेरा अकाउंट उठ जाता, हमने कहा कुछ और करते हैं, न्यू जीमेल वगैरह, आईडी बोलता है कि मेरे को नहीं है पता, तो हमने उसका कंटेंट, यूजर नेम्स, एवरीथिंग हमने बैठ के किया एंड देन वी वर मेकिंग कंटेंट साथ में, बिकॉज़ सब एक घर पे आ रहे हैं। देन अमरूनु को तो आई न्यू पहले से, बहुत पहले से, एंड अनिरुद्ध मूव्ड यहाँ पे बिकॉज़ he was dating Marunu.
So they were doing long distance first.
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah, I think for some time they were doing, and then he moved, and उसके बाद we were all like daily meeting and making videos.
You know
It was
what
crazy.
you guys are? They are like, you know how LA has these content houses?
Hype
They did it long before them, bro. They
Yeah.
did it years before them.
हाँ, मतलब उस टाइम पे कुछ ऐसा ग्रुप नहीं बनाना था हमें, मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि हम ग्रुप बना रहे हैं, इट वाज लाइक कि हम रोज इतने लोग मिल रहे हैं एंड अपना अपना जिसको भी जो वीडियो बना रही है बना लो, उसके बाद वील चिल, वही करते थे हम आई थिंक 1-2 घंटा वीडियोस बनाते थे, उसके बाद हम 6 घंटा चिल करते थे, सो दैट वाज फन, मतलब फन पार्ट वो था कि हम उसके बाद चिल भी कर रहे हैं, सो मतलब हर जगह दिख रहा है कि दे एक्चुअली लाइक चिलिंग, या सो दैट वाज फन एंड I think that was the best content period for me. That was too much fun.
But it's so difficult to gel with someone and make content with them. Like it's very difficult to find those people.
So that's why we were like getting viral, because बाकी वो नहीं हो पा रहा था. Because I was seeing people like making groups, but वो थोड़ा time के लिए दिख रहा था and उसके बाद फिर
It would
personal
fall
हो रहा
apart,
था. हाँ, तो वो I think लोगों को वही अच्छा लग रहा था कि they are like still doing it. वो उन्होंने स्लोली एक ग्रुप बना लिया, देन दे आर मेकिंग अ YouTube चैनल एंड वो YouTube चैनल इतना अच्छा कर रहा है, तो वो आई थिंक दैट होल जर्नी दैट वाज रियली नाइस.
Why did you all name it Damn Fam?
Yeah, well done, fam.
So for that we discussed a lot कि इसका नाम क्या रखना है अगर हम चैनल कर रहे हैं. So नहीं समझ आ रहा था क्या करना है एंड एक वेरी रैंडम पॉइंट पे टीके ऑलवेज हमारी वीडियोस में डैम बोलता था. हर वीडियो में कुछ भी होता था बोलता था, वो एक चीज बनी हुई थी, बोलता था डैम. तो वैसे ही उसने आई थिंक टीके एंड देन कहीं तो हैशटैग शुरू हो गया कि डैम तो ये बोलते ही हैं एंड किसी फैन पेज ने डैम फैम कर दिया एंड ये नहीं मेरे को पता किसने किया बट किया एंड देन टीके वाज लाइक दिस इज द नेम, या दिस इज द नेम वी शुड कीप एंड वो लोग फिर वो अनऑफिशियली से ऑफिशियल डैम फैम ही रख दिया
Oh,
हमने.
crazy.
या बट गुड नेम, इट्स अ गुड नेम.
Yeah, we love
Iconic.
it. Like I genuinely watch Damn Fam videos right
I
now.
know
So I
Kachi keeps on telling me कि but when is the next video coming?
Yeah, where was the video this week?
Yeah,
Kanchi.
bullshit. Pressure.
I have watched your whole daily vlogging ka
We
era.
both have.
We both have watched it, and I swear when you stopped daily vlogging, we were like, Abhi, what do we watch?
Oh shit.
You used to post at 11 in the morning now.
Yeah, close to that.
I
Yeah.
used to wake up and eat my breakfast.
And watch.
Guys, यार ये so sweet है, ये मत बोलो यार, मैं ऐसा
But why are you
emotional हो
daily
जाऊंगा.
vlogging?
Because I think वो period में बहुत मैं था enthused था for content YouTube के लिए specifically. I was making a lot of daily vlogs and same time पे मैं MNV जो मेरा दूसरा channel मैंने
Yeah.
शुरू किया था MNV TV.
You had gone, na?
What?
Yeah.
I have one MNV TV ka
Yes.
video. I think the second or something.
I think third, fourth
Second.
video ही था वो.
Yeah.
And I was doing all of that.
That video was very scary.
Why?
Because I'm not a competitive person. Like I can't play games.
But that was very chill video.
No,
I
you-
don't want to.
In one video, you made us in one game. You made us play pool. Remember
Okay,
in the
yeah,
arcade?
yeah.
And I don't know how to play pool, so I was hitting it like a cricket ball.
But that's fun. that was
was
a very
good, it was
chill,
good.
yeah, very
Yeah.
chill video. उसके बाद तो I was doing all of that, and then थोड़ा slow down हुआ because I was having थोड़ा neck का issue because I was editing a lot.
Oh.
So मेरे को थोड़ा उसको अपनी editing को give up करना पड़ा and I was trying कि मैं थोड़ा कम बैठूं. And I was using a lot of phone. Editing भी हो रही है, तो फिर डॉक्टर ने बोला कि आप बहुत थोड़ा chill करो, ये बहुत हो रहा है, ये और बहुत सब पेशेंट्स इसी के लिए आ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
मतलब you're using too much phone, आपका हर टाइम ऐसा है, मतलब like थोड़ा इसको सीरियस लेना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
तो मैंने थोड़ा एडिटिंग को स्लो किया, डेली व्लॉगिंग को थोड़ा
You
कम
didn't
किया.
want to get an editor.
I have an editor. I'm making a whole team which makes things easier for me. But it's the most
Bro, it's
guys.
very difficult.
It's the most difficult thing to find an editor because अभी सबको editor चाहिए and everyone's good. And जो सबसे अच्छा editor होता है, he's gone in seconds. And recently I put a story about I need an editor. And मैंने सब check किया and when I contact them, हमारा हो चुका है यहाँ पे. I was like, oh, this is so fast. मेरे को थोड़ा जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. So it's good for them
And it's
because
very difficult to find someone that matches your vibe.
that's the main
Exactly,
thing.
yeah.
Because editing में क्या होता है, आप अपना content देते हो, you explain, then your creativity 50%
Yeah.
and
Yes.
then the other side creativity 50%, then you get a good content.
Guys,
So
any editors?
Please reach
Mana
out to
please,
Mana.
please,
Yeah.
please. But yeah, तो वो अभी हम थोड़ा slowing down content wise भी. But yeah,
But it doesn't look like from outside that you have slowed down.
but YouTube पे it might look,
Yeah.
but Instagram पे तो
Never.
never,
Yeah,
we
you're
never
very
slowed down.
consistent.
Wait,
Very consistent.
what about the 30 days, 30 collabs?
Yeah,
That was
I did
crazy.
na.
Yeah, like,
Yeah, he finished
how
it.
was that?
That was, I don't know why I wanted to do it. That was like कि मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगा मैंने काफी टाइम से कंटेंट बनाया नहीं है. क्रेजी मतलब
Yeah.
कोलैब नहीं किया लोगों के साथ, तो मैंने सोचा मैं करता हूँ, पर मेरे को पता नहीं था मैं कैसे करूँगा. So I posted that video on 29th.
The first.
The explaining
The
like I'll
intro,
do that,
yeah.
the intro. And then I was like, I have 4-5 people ready that will do it, but 30 ये मैं कैसे करूँगा? And मेरे माइंड में ये था कि मैंने अगर 3-4 वीडियोस भी अच्छी बना दी ना, then I can approach people.
Yes.
How do you coordinate with so many different people?
I don't know. ये मैंने किया अकेले ने, किसी
Yeah.
ने कुछ नहीं किया. Of course my manager and my team helped me, but वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. मतलब वो
Yeah.
पता नहीं मैंने कैसे किया. मेरे को मैं दोबारा भी करना चाहूँ, मेरे को पता नहीं मैं कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं. It was very difficult. I was reaching, so I reached
Every
out
day
to
you were shooting.
yeah,
Obviously.
and I reached out to like 100 creators. उनमें से मेरे को 20 का रिप्लाई आया होगा. And I was like, okay, so this
Who are
happened.
these people?
Who
That
did
I don't want to name them, but yeah. And some were like, we are so packed. मैंने कहा okay.
पूरे महीने के लिए.
पूरे महीने के लिए. And I was like कि कोई भी महीने में डेट दे दो, we'll figure हो तो किसी भी डे में डाल देंगे. And my whole month is packed. I was like, okay, ठीक है. But they were like super nice people who were like,
Yeah,
replying.
yeah,
And
it
जो भी
wasn't
जिन्होंने भी मेरे
insane.
साथ shoot किया उस 30 days में, they were sweet enough to reply me, and we made videos. And एक दिन में वो
Yeah.
edit करके मैंने डाल दिया. So it was
It
crazy.
was an insane series.
It was insane, yeah.
And it was like every video was something different. Like if
Different.
you were doing bhangra, then you were
Yeah.
cooking something.
So
then
I wanted to make an impact कि I am a lifestyle.
मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, तो मैं म्यूजिक मैंने रैप भी कर दिया था उसमें. मैंने डांस तो चलो
You
मैं करता
sang
ही
also, na?
रैप
With
किया
that
था.
guy.
हो गया.
ओह नहीं, वो मैंने नहीं गाया, दर्शन के साथ. तो दर्शन का गाना था. वो
Okay.
एक्टिंग. तो मैंने दर्शन I was like कि ये कितना किलर होगा कि दर्शन is singing and I'm doing something like a music video. I approached him, he's like भैया yes let's do it. I was like oh this is so sweet, let's do it. And वो मैंने रात को उसने मेरे को म्यूजिक वीडियो भेजी है. मैं रात को गया हूँ I think 2 बजे वहाँ पे मरीन ड्राइव and I shot it. It was crazy. I love that video.
I think this is like this dedication is not there in everyone.
Yeah.
Not in every creator.
Not at all.
Nowadays, especially Gen Z,
Very
is like
complacent.
so relaxed
Yeah.
and like बस ऐसे बैठ के बना दिया video and then
Yeah.
okay now I'm done for the day. One video is done.
I need to take a break now. Yeah. I think that's also why, like, if you see that the creators that you started with compared to the creators that are in the industry now, there are very few that are still relevant.
Yeah.
Y'all have
That's true.
You have really managed to crack the code of being relevant over 10 years.
So that's the most difficult thing.
Yeah.
Well, making content is one thing,
Yeah.
but being there always is the most difficult thing. When we were doing Musically, there was a thing called leaderboard. So
What's leaderboard?
Musically में एक leaderboard होता था. You're making content daily.
Okay.
वो daily आप सुबह उठ के अपना leaderboard check करते हो कि मेरा
Okay, are
rank
you
क्या
on
है.
that or what?
How
मेरा
many
in-
people come in that rank?
So 100 था. 100 में से
Only
आपका
100?
rank क्या है? So my life aim was to be
be
in
one.
that list. No, not one.
Were you ever one?
I was. Achievement. But my life aim at that point was to be in that list daily. So I was always under 20. 20 के पीछे मैं हमेशा होता था. And I think कि वो जो 25 जो 100 लोग आते थे leaderboard में से, उसमें से only I think 25 to 30 people are still making
Relevant.
content. Yeah, relevant and making content.
Why is that so scary?
I don't know. मतलब that is I think जो मेरे हिसाब से मेरे को रीजन लगता है कि लोगों ने एक्सप्लोर नहीं की more categories. They were like कि मैं ये content बनाता हूँ तो I'll make this content only. When TikTok was gone, they were like Instagram पे भी they were trying that only. That is थोड़ा I think risky also because Instagram पे आपको new audience मिल रही है. Explore more. And when I was in मैं Instagram मैंने move किया अपना audience. हम Instagram पे content बना रहे थे. I was trying everything कि मैं सब try कर सकूँ, सब टाइप का कंटेंट बना सकूं. एंड आई थिंक दैट हेल्प मी कि मैं ओके ये यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है, ये भी कर रहा है. तो दैट वाज इजियर फॉर मी. एंड वो बहुत जिन्होंने पहले स्टार्ट कर दिया था प्रोसीजर कि जो आप टिकटॉक पे डाल रहे हो वो इंस्टाग्राम पे भी जा रहा है, आई थिंक
Yes.
वो ही थोड़ा स्टे कर पाए.
So basically, you are saying कि your best advice is go out of your comfort zone.
Of course.
Like do things you would not usually
So
do.
start with what you are best at. उस पे अपना 100% दो, तब आप देखोगे कि अच्छा ये डांसर है, ये इतना अच्छा डांस करती है, but okay, what's next? And उसके बाद when you see that dancer doing a makeup thing or like traveling, that वो थोड़ा hit होता है लोगों की, okay,
She can do more.
she can do more, and वो फिर उसको आप different versions में कर सकते हो. So that's the advice I always give कि मतलब start अपने best से करो, then start exploring more categories. मतलब Instagram पे तो कितने टाइप के
Instagram is
categories है.
literally anything.
अभी भी मैं एक्सप्लोर ही कर रहा हूँ. आई वांट टू एक्सप्लोर मोर कैटेगरीज. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं स्पोर्ट्स में तो मैं करता ही हूँ, देन आई कैन गो थोड़ा मेरे को स्किन केयर में जाना चाहिए. आई थिंक दैट्स द कैटेगरी आई शुड
Do you actually do skincare?
आई हैव स्टार्टेड. उन्नति हैज मेड मी डू सम थिंग्स. उसने मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत बताया हुआ है जो मैं कर लेता हूँ.
Sunscreen you put?
Yeah, of course. Sunscreen I put, then I put. I don't like people when they वो उसको alpha male बन के वो videos बनाते हैं ना कि sunscreen क्यों चाहिए हमें. क्यों नहीं चाहिए भाई आपको. Of course ये आपको सब चीजें चाहिए होती है. एंड बाकी जो और एक्स्ट्रा चीजें हैं वो चलो आपकी मर्जी है, बट जो ये थोड़ी बेसिक
Basic,
चीजें वो
yeah.
तो आप यूज करो. मॉइस्चराइजर, सनस्क्रीन, ये होता है. आई थिंक वो ब्रांड्स भी पसंद करते हैं मेरे को व्हेन आई पोस्ट अबाउट इट. सो yeah, I'm trying to get into that also. Then or big categories I want to explore, so I'm trying.
You are killing it, by the way, in the luxury niche.
Yay!
It is crazy.
Yeah, I got my first award, guys. In
Sri
luxury
Lanka,
category.
na?
Yeah. Congrats.
Thank you. So
New niche, broken into a new niche.
So
Now next year another niche.
yeah, that's the plan. But अभी इस साल क्या मैं आगे भी luxury में try करता रहना चाहूँगा. But that's not normal for me. Like I'm from a very middle class family, from a very small town in Punjab, and मैं luxury creator of the year कैसे हूँ?
Yeah.
इंडिया में तो वो
Like you had never seen that side.
हाँ, so that's very new for me, but I want to thank all. मैंने अपनी speech में भी बोला था, all the brands.
Yes.
उनके कारण ही हम सारी luxury experience कर पाते हैं. And I collaborate a lot with Mercedes.
Yes.
I've done a lot of things with like the biggest hotels and stays
Yeah.
in India. So उनके कारण ही वो luxury दिख पाती है. तो I think that's the
Do you-
main reason.
Because of this, do you make it a point to make luxury a part of your life so that brands look at it like that?
Yes.
Yeah, right?
मतलब of course मतलब पंजाब से हूँ तो हमें बहुत शौक होता है लग्जरी चीजों का. बचपन से ही शौक था. मतलब हर चीज हम ब्रांड्स एंड एवरीथिंग इट्स वी आर वेरी कनेक्टेड टू इट कि मतलब पंजाब में जाओगे तो अच्छा ब्रांडेड ये डाला है. हमें मजा आता है. मतलब वो हम थोड़ी फुकरी मारते हैं उस चीज की, बट हमें मजा आता है वो सब करने में.
Bombay people are chill like that.
Yeah.
Bombay you'll never see a Bombay people wearing
Yeah.
a logo, but हम proudly पहनते हैं.
Delhi people also wear a lot.
या वो नॉर्थ में है थोड़ा सीन, बट वो अच्छी बात है. मैं तो अच्छे में लेता हूँ कि अगर मैंने बचपन में ये सपने देखे कि मेरे पास ये हो, एंड अगर मैं वो ले रहा हूँ तो I'll show it. मतलब है मेरे पास.
So that's fair.
Yeah, that's fair. I
You
think.
must be feeling crazy driving your dream car.
Yeah, it is.
Mercedes ने गाड़ी भेजा. I'm just going for a drive.
Yeah, it's a very अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ चलो ठीक है हो रहा है, बट अगर मैं उस जोन में जाके देखूं कि मैंने कभी मैं जी वैगन बस में लाइक ये गाड़ी मेरे को बैठना है, एंड उसके बाद मैं चला रहा हूँ यहाँ पे तो थोड़ा तो है मतलब.
Yeah.
What was your first ever luxury purchase? Like on your own, for yourself?
On my own.
Was it for yourself or was it for someone else?
किसी के लिए ही होगा आई थिंक. लग्जरी मेरे को याद नहीं होगा, ऐसा स्पेसिफिकली नहीं याद होगा, बट स्टार्टिंग में मैंने मॉम को गिफ्ट किया था कुछ ज्वेलरी का पीस, तो वो आई थिंक थोड़ा लग्जरी वहीं से आया था. उसके बाद मैंने अपने लिए क्या लिया होगा.
You take so much.
I'm saying some
तभी
sneakers.
स्नीकर्स.
Yeah, na? Your
स्नीकर्स.
shoe collection, my god.
स्नीकर्स. हाँ मैंने एक बहुत अपने बर्थडे पे आई थिंक 2021 या 22 पे एक खर्च दिया था काफी. एक स्नीकर पे ज्यादा.
You know what my favorite videos are on your channel?
Halls.
Bro, no. When it's Unnati's birthday or Manav's birthday and they gift each other things, that is my life goal. That is my life goal to ऐसा sit and just keep opening gifts for half an hour. It is so cool.
We love it. मतलब वो ऐसा कई लोगों को होता है कि मतलब छोटी छोटी चीजें which is also वो भी हम करते हैं, वो भी हम पूरे ईयरली करते रहते हैं, बट बर्थडे पे तो आई वांट टू गिफ्ट हर द बेस्ट थिंग्स इन द वर्ल्ड, जो मेरे माइंड अभी पे आने वाला है. तो तो चल रहा है वो सब, अभी लेट बताने वाला. ठीक है तो प्लानिंग चल रही है, बट या आई लव इट एंड शी लव्स इट टू. वो हम दोनों उस चीज में बहुत सिमिलर है कि मतलब वो भी पूरा 100% एफर्ट्स कर देगी. पूरे साल हम सोचते रहते हैं कि क्या करेंगे, एंड देन बर्थडे पे
Then do you feel okay? Unnati gave me this. I need to top that.
मतलब हाँ
Kanchi does this. Huh?
मतलब टॉप डे मतलब ऐसा हो कि मतलब वो हैप्पी हो जाए देख के कि वो ये मतलब उन्नति ने जो मेरे को इस बार गिफ्ट्स दिए वो मतलब मेरे लिए बहुत वैसे थे कि एक मैंने एक शर्ट देखी थी हम कहाँ पे थे स्पेन में साउथ ऑफ फ्रांस में थे हम एक जगह पे वहाँ पे मैंने एक लग्जरी शॉप पे मैंने एक देखी मैंने वाज लाइक दिस सो प्रिटी मतलब ये तो मैं कहीं बीच पे आऊंगा मेरे को ये डालनी है ऐसा एंड इट वाज एक्सपेंसिव तो आई वाज लाइक कि चलो अभी नहीं लेते बाद में ले लेते हैं एंड वो पता नहीं कहाँ से उसने मेरे को गिफ्ट
Did
कर
she
दी
take it that day only?
नो वो उसने कहीं से ढूंढी
जुगाड़ करके।
हाँ और वो ऐसा भी नहीं कि आपको बहुत नॉर्मली मिल जाए वो ढूंढ के की एंड आई वाज लाइक ये कहाँ से तो वो शॉकिंग वो वाला उसका स्टोरी होती है ना when वो
Yeah.
गिफ्ट के बिहाइंड देयर अ स्टोरी देन इट makes it more special
I think that's even if I give someone something, I always try to link it with something, or there has to be a story.
There has
like
to
it
be a
can't just be
story.
कि, okay,
Some
this is
meaning.
the gift.
yeah
Yeah.
that there has to be a story I saw your podcast you were like कि boys को कुछ गिफ्ट नहीं कर सकते why I was like ये
Guys, when we met Manav in Vagamama, the first thing he told us is कि you should have asked me what to gift boys.
yeah I can tell you
But also, you know, you as a guy are very like, first of all, fashion forward. Like you are ready to experiment.
Yeah.
You
Not
wear
all
different things.
guys are.
Some guys just wear Uniqlo का t-shirt, solid colors.
I think सबका वाइब होता है
अलग है।
हाँ तो उनका वाइब देखो वो भी क्लासी तो लगता है मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि जो लोग कैरी कर लेते हैं ना कि प्लेन आउटफिट्स वो बेस्ट है वो मतलब बहुत क्रेजी है बट इफ यू गो टू जापान और
Yeah.
वहाँ पे वो लोग यही
Minimal
डालते हैं
dressing.
मिनिमल ड्रेसिंग एंड वो कईयों पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बट अभी हम हैं
But
अभी
उनको क्या दे?
Okay, give 3 nice gifts to give a boy.
एक-
I can tell you a range wise gifts you can give to boys
Can you give in each budget?
yeah okay
Fine, chal,
okay
start.
Below 5K.
below 5k
Yeah.
below 5 oh below 500 give him flowers he'll love it
No!
Sahil disagreed on this. Huh?
Sahil disagreed on that.
disagreed.
No, I love.
Sahil has said that flowers are overrated, so don't.
No, I think 100 के नीचे अगर आपके पास बजट है तो flowers are the best thing
Yeah.
because वो एक connect भी करेंगे and it's very good.
Okay.
500 से नीचे if you wanna give him a collectible.
Okay.
Give him a collectible item. कुछ भी मतलब
Lego का something.
Lego का दे दो या फिर if he likes
Whatever
football
he
तो football
likes,
का
yeah.
collectible दे दो that'll be a good thing.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, then if you wanna go 5,000 के नीचे give him a perfume.
Okay.
Or give him something related to men's grooming.
Okay, like a trimmer.
Like a trimmer or like a kit. You get a kit also,
okay.
which has
Good
everything.
idea, yeah.
Then if you want to go 50,000 के नीचे, this 50,000 के नीचे, this PS5. That's long. You have to give him a PS5,
The PS5
with extra remote and 2-3
This
CDs.
discussion is
That
never
day,
ending.
Sahil
No.
has gone to play PS5 and he's sending me a picture. He's video calling me. This is a PS5. Kanchi, this is what a PS5 looks like. If you want to gift me.
50,000 के नीचे it has to be a PS5.
Oh
Then if you
God.
want to go और ऊपर जाना आपको 1 लाख के नीचे इसको गिफ्ट करना है then give him a holiday. 5 लाख
that's a
के
good
नीचे
idea.
करना है तो give him a motorbike.
Oh God.
आपको 50 lakhs के नीचे करना है give him a good
गाड़ी.
car. 1 करोड़ के नीचे करना है give him a flat but not in
Stop.
Mumbai कहीं
The
बाहर.
point has been
उसको 5
proven.
करोड़ के करना है तो मतलब you can keep going.
Point
यार.
has been proven,
Thank
point
you.
has been proven.
But there's a lot of things you can
I
give.
think everyone's budgets have been covered.
Covered.
So any
Yeah,
birthday is
so-
coming up, just
Yeah,
Manav is here.
refer this video.
This is too good, huh? This is too good. He's actually covered every single budget.
Yeah, मैं उस टाइम सोच रहा था कि ये कैसे बोल दिया इन्होंने कि लड़कों के गिफ्ट नहीं है. There are a lot of gifts.
So
guys.
many people after that have made videos, like remixed
Acha,
that
acha.
and said gift ideas like, hello,
Of course.
it's
Good
okay,
scene.
now we learn.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we learn and we'll keep, now you have this video to replace that video. So please stop yelling at us. But do you feel like, see, obviously you and Unnati are in a relationship.
Yeah.
Do you feel like there's like a line between work and personal life? Like, how do you work with your partner? Like, Kanchi and Sahil fight so much. They're always fighting.
Well, that's okay. But मेरा और उन्नति का नहीं होता बहुत touchwood. हम
Like, y'all
I
are-
think you all are the same.
very same energy, same level. अगर कोई fight नहीं होती है, अगर उसको ऐसा बुरा लगता है तो मेरे को पता लग जाता है रात तक मैं पूछ लेता हूँ. उन्नति को कुछ लगता है वो पूछ लेती है and then रात तक हो जाता है sort.
Yeah.
तो मतलब वो and work मैं जैसा work बोल रहा हूँ दोनों
You
का
don't take
motive.
it as work.
No.
मस्ती.
मस्ती सो अगर कुछ नहीं अपलोड हुआ है भाई गैलरी ढूंढो उसमें पुराना ट्रिप गए थे वहां से ढूंढ के कुछ डालो बट फन वे में डोंट स्ट्रेस अबाउट कंटेंट स्ट्रेस हम तब करते हैं कि ब्रांड कुछ करना है,
हाँ
ब्रांडेड हम किसी इवेंट के लिए गए हो तब हम थोड़ा स्ट्रेस करते हैं कि लेट्स कंप्लीट द वर्क दैट वी हैव गॉट, बट अगर ऑर्गेनिक है इट्स फन. अगर आप मेरी कोई भी रील उठा के देख लो, आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि मैंने बहुत ऐसा कुछ स्ट्रेस है. इट्स ऑलवेज अ फन काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग दैट आई डिड एंड दैट आई मेड अ रील आउट ऑफ इट. एंड सबसे ज्यादा वायरल भी वही जाती हैं.
Yeah, the most random things.
क्या द मोस्ट रैंडम थिंग्स. मैं हमेशा उन्नति को बोलता हूँ कि इफ वी आर गोइंग फॉर प्रोफेशनल शूट विल डेफिनेटली शूट वन थिंग फ्रॉम फोन एंड व्हिच कैन बी अ BTS. जब हम ट्रेडिशनल वाले शूट्स कर रहे थे ना, बीच में हम बहुत कर रहे थे, मैं और उन्नति, दिवाली के आई थिंक आसपास, तो हमेशा मैं उसको बोलता था कि एक रील हम डालेंगे जिसमें यू आर सेटिंग माय हेयर फोन से, और बहुत ही रैंडम जिसमें आई एम
Something
टाइम
relatable.
वेरी रिलेटेबल, एंड वो तो फिर नेक्स्ट लेवल वायरल जाती है.
More than the
मोर देन प्रोफेशनल
production,
रील.
yeah.
नो मतलब वो आपके कंटेंट वाइज अच्छा है, हाई प्रोफेशनल, बट अगर आपको वायरल कंटेंट चाहिए, ब्लूपर्स
very true.
मिल रहे हैं.
What's your best relationship advice for people trying to be in a relationship and make it work?
You tell me.
No, you tell me. I wanna know.
How long have you all been together?
4 years now, but we have known each other for like 7-8 years.
I feel like you all are already married.
You'll
Like,
give that vibe.
Yeah, in my head, you all are like someone's parents.
Yeah, Bronny and Rishi.
Wowie.
Wowie. But advice, I'll say, I think the main is understanding has to be there. Like वही सबसे ज़्यादा important है कि आपका nature कैसा है आपके partner का. हमारा हम lucky हैं कि दोनों का बहुत similar है हर चीज़ में. But अगर similar नहीं भी है तो how do you like manage that? That has to be very strong, and then loyalty of
Yes,
course, and then respect. I think these love follows. मतलब ऐसा होता है कि प्यार तो आएगा उसके साथ साथ, but अगर ये तीन चीजें होंगी तो I think.
I feel like this same understanding that you're talking about in a relationship, it applies to friendships as well.
Yeah.
है ना? And for your, like, Kanchi and I always discuss this, where it's so much easier to be friends with one person rather than be friends with a group of 10 people. Because in a group, everyone is so different. But y'all have maintained that friendship for years.
Yeah.
And again, earlier how you said ki people love y'all for the friendship y'all share, for the bond y'all have.
Yeah.
The same thing applies to us also. Like, some people don't love me individually, they love Richi.
Yeah.
So how do you all keep that going for so many years where your bond is so strong? And y'all to travel together, y'all do everything together.
I think वो content जब आ जाता है ना, then it makes a difference. बाकी अगर आपके जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, पंजाब में भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनके साथ कुछ कंटेंट नहीं है, बट मैं उनसे मिल भी नहीं रहा हूँ कितने सालों से, बट द फ्रेंडशिप इज स्टिल वेरी स्ट्रांग. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि मतलब वो है मुंबई में, ही विल बी बिजी. अब मेरे को कॉल आया हुआ है, मैं नहीं उठा पाया, बट ओके इट्स फाइन, ही विल कॉल मी व्हेन ही गेट्स टाइम. सो वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि हम कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं, जब कंटेंट जा रहा है तो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर वाचिंग, एंड लोगों के assumptions होते हैं कि अच्छा ये ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा, एंड उसके साथ कॉप अप करना विद फ्रेंडशिप, दैट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट.
That's
Yeah.
so tough.
So that is difficult because अगर मैं कमेंट्स पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ, मेरे को एक नैरेटिव मिल रहा है लोगों से,
These two are not friends. Like
कुछ
that.
भी मिल रहा है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, एंड वो बाकी से भी सबको मिल रहा है, तो वो थोड़ा माइंड में कुछ चीजें बनाने लग जाता है, which is थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट मेरे हिसाब से. इसलिए कंटेंट क्रिएटर फ्रेंडशिप्स ज्यादा वर्क नहीं करती है, बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग, आप अगर आपको जैसे मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर नहीं है तो मेरे को एक बंदा एडवाइस कर सकता है, बट कंटेंट क्रिएटर हो आपको तो लाख लोग एडवाइस कर रहे हैं कि तू यहाँ पे शायद नहीं सही,
Yeah.
यू शुड मूव या वैसा जैसा भी है. तो आई थिंक दैट इज द पॉइंट व्हिच मेक्स इट थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट.
Yeah.
99% लोग आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे कि फ्रेंडशिप इज
Must. Too good.
It's too good. You guys are the best.
Yeah.
1% वो जो होता है ना, but वो बहुत strong होता है, and
That's true.
Because I
affects.
think in big groups, 10 people, suppose there are, all 10 can't be best friends according to me. Like there
Yeah.
has to be some, like 2 people might be close to someone, but the third person might not feel like that connected with them.
I think it's like family also.
Yeah.
आप family में रह रहे हो for like कितने साल, तो आपको ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप फैमिली में किसी मेंबर के साथ ज्यादा क्लोज नहीं हो पा रहे हो, या फिर मेरी इससे नहीं बनती है, मेरी वो है जैसा, वो भी फ्रेंडशिप में आप सारा टाइम एक दूसरे के साथ हो, एंड सारा टाइम जब साथ स्पेंड कर रहे हो तो हो सकता है कि यार ये चीज नहीं मेरे को अच्छी लगी,
Yeah.
एंड वो फिर बिल्ड होती रहती है, एंड वो जब बिल्ड ज्यादा हो जाती है, देन वो सेपरेशन वाला
I
पॉइंट.
think it's completely normal.
It's very normal.
very normal.
I always explain this to the audience also.
Yeah.
उनकी भी गलती नहीं, because they get connected,
Attached,
they
yes.
get attached. That is fine, but that is very normal. मतलब अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि आपकी फ्रेंडशिप नहीं वर्क की, तो you also think कि आपके फ्रेंड्स थे,
हाँ.
वो पुराने थे जो अब नहीं है. So that is very normal with everyone. So I
Very
think,
true.
Yeah.
It's just that ours is maybe a little more public.
Yeah.
कि लोगों को दिख के आ रहा है that okay now they're not making content together anymore, they're not friends
Yeah.
anymore.
So they'll comment about it. So वो फिर और build up होता है. So
Very
that is, I think उसके कारण थोड़ा और problems आती हैं. but that is very natural.
Do you actually actively read comments on your content?
Very good question.
Yeah, I do. मतलब yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I मतलब मेरे को affect नहीं करते negative comments.
पहले I'm sure it would have.
नहीं मतलब बहुत ही सब ज्यादा हो जाता है तब करते हैं, and मेरे को ज्यादा इफेक्ट तब करते हैं जब उन्नति के लिए होते हैं. मेरे को मेरे लिए मतलब मैं I'm very chill like that. मतलब I'm very emotionally strong. So मतलब मेरा अगर मेरे लिए कुछ आता है मैं उन्नति को भी ये बोलता हूँ कि मतलब I don't care. That is fine. और मैं सीधा एक सेकंड में ब्लॉग देखेगा भी नहीं बंदा नेक्स्ट फिर उसके बाद. बट वो फिर जब बढ़ते रहते हैं फिर उन्नति पे हो जाता है, और उस पे तो यू नो उन्नति मतलब पर्सनली एंड हाउ शी इज. सो उस पे जब आता है तो मेरे को बुरा लगता है कि यार मतलब उसने तो कुछ किया भी नहीं है. शी ऑलवेज थिंक्स अबाउट एवरीवन, सो व्हाई हर.
Yeah.
But I think she's very easy to target like that because she doesn't have a YouTube channel. How will she? So मतलब ऐसा होता
Where
है
will
कि
she like give her viewpoint?
हाँ Instagram पे क्या होता है, Instagram पे only you are making dance or fashion, you don't बाकी मेरा YouTube था तो उस पे उन्नति थोड़ा कॉन्वर्सेशन कर लेती थी, बट वो भी इतना नहीं हो पाता था. तो आई थिंक इसलिए उन्नति पे ज्यादा आता है टारगेट. बट मेरे हिसाब से जितना भी लोग हेट करते हैं, पीपल डोंट सी द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ दैट.
Yeah.
जो डैम फैम ने बिल्ड किया सबको, इफ यू सी इंडिविजुअली,
One of a kind.
individually everyone is killing it right now.
Yes.
You see everyone's profile, किसी की भी जाके देख लो, individually they are doing something.
Yes.
And वो जब डैम फैम नहीं था, they were trying, they were like getting into space.
Very true.
I respect the Dam Fam whole thing and Dam Fam fans a lot because उन्होंने ये सब create किया. The whole individual things also that we are doing, that is because of them. And I always respect, and that's why we always try कि दोबारा हो पाए. Because of them, because वो लोग जो अभी तक बोलते हैं कि मतलब
कि वीडियोस बनाओ साथ में
हाँ,
करो.
फिर वो जब हम ट्राई भी करते हैं, लोग बोलते हैं कि तुम ट्राई क्यों कर रहे हो, मतलब व्हाट इज द पॉइंट. फिर वो पॉइंट ही यही है कि जो लोग ने हमें बनाया है, जो अभी भी अगर हम कुछ नॉर्मल पर इंडिविजुअल भी पोस्ट करता हूँ तो उस पे भी अगर डैम फैम पेजेस का कुछ आ रहा है तो उनके लिए भी वांट टू पोस्ट बिकॉज़ दे स्टिल ट्राइंग. सो दैट इज वेरी नेचुरल एंड आई वांट टू से कि एवरीवन's killing it individually. That's great.
That's right.
मतलब that was the goal.
Yeah.
That was the goal.
You
कि
grow together.
you grow together and everyone is now a very good creator. मतलब सब
Everyone has their own niche. You know कि okay, TK amazing
TK,
singing.
yeah.
Unnati wow, what a dancer. Can't like.
everyone's killing it. अब किसी की भी प्रोफाइल पकड़ लो, 11 लोग सब अच्छा कर रहे हैं लाइफ में, and that was the goal.
Yeah.
Just stay happy about that.
Yeah,
and
he
let
said it,
happen.
guys.
That is so true.
Yeah.
But you know, honestly, I think of you as a very brave person because sometimes, you know, if someone I तो don't read comments ek to, because I know that they bother me. So in the thing of not reading comments, sometimes I end up missing good comments also because I'm like, I don't want to read something bad. Like Kanchi will read something bad, she'll feel bad about it, she'll move on. I'm in my denial phase कि मुझे देखना ही नहीं है. I don't see only anything, which okay, fine, fair. That's maybe my way of coping. But if something had to happen, I feel like you're very brave in the sense that you will come up and you will talk about it
Yes.
face front.
So
Online this
yeah.
is too tough, yaar.
I-
to
I-
handle.
How could
How do you do it?
I'll tell you guys, this is the most the brave part also and the most
Yeah.
difficult part also.
It is.
Because every time if you see, अगर आप कुछ भी beef निकालोगे
you
ना,
have always.
so it's my video कि
Yes.
मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उसमें.
हाँ.
But मेरे को ऐसा होता है कि people need clarity.
Yeah.
मैं उनके लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ, hate वाले लोगों के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but जो genuinely concerned है कि क्या हुआ हो सकता है, I try to explain, but लोगों को लगता है कि ये क्यों explain कर रहा है, फिर वो problem हो जाती है कि मतलब everyone should explain.
Yeah.
But वो फिर everyone is not that comfortable in explaining, and मेरे हिसाब से मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि I should come and like just
You're
tell
doing it for
people.
your followers. You want to give them clarity.
Well, I try to give them
Then
clarity.
whatever they understand.
मतलब that's fine, मतलब that's on मेरा साइड से मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मैंने अपना पार्ट कर दिया. If someone else wants to clarify, they can, but कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. But मेरे साइड से जो मेरे को लग रहा था मैंने क्लैरिटी कर दी है, इसलिए फिर वो मेरी वीडियोस के साथ वो थंबनेल्स होते हैं कि but yeah, उसको थोड़ा प्रेशर तो है उस चीज.
We need to give Manav credit for giving his followers closure.
Yeah.
In every.
Like
try
I
to.
think
Yeah.
people who are attached to you and connected to you, they want to know, and you're giving them that. Not everyone does it. People
Yeah.
leave it
Hanging.
hanging.
Yeah, but at the same time मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि जितना भी हमारा हुआ है उसमें कोई ऐसा कंट्रोवर्शियल कभी भी नहीं हुआ है. मतलब लोग करते हैं जबरदस्ती कि उससे कंटेंट
Yeah.
बने. We try कि प्लीज कंटेंट मत रखो
People
इसको.
make content out of it.
हाँ, but we don't. We have never tried that, never done that, and we don't want to do that. जब भी वो ऐसा कुछ होता है कि हम ट्राई करते हैं कि क्लोजर हो जाए, ये बात खत्म हो जाए, and it's very मतलब chill like that. And अभी भी chill ही है, मतलब किसी का भी कुछ वैसा नहीं है कि कोई अभी भी ग्रज है किसी के साथ है कुछ, हमारा तो कभी था भी नहीं है, होगा भी नहीं कभी तो.
Love that. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can only be this way when everyone is like mature and growing and there's no bad blood against
Yeah,
anyone else.
Yeah.
Like,
definitely. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Now,
No.
What?
you have to play the
Oh
game
yeah,
now.
the game.
What? You have a game?
Yes.
ये मेरे को
We
नहीं
are
बताया था
gonna
आपने.
keep it.
Surprise, we wanted your raw reaction.
Whoa! So game has a hamper also.
No.
We can give you the sunflower, which our very sweet guest got for
Okay, wow, it's so sweet. Butter.
So we're doing a rapid fire,
Okay.
Karan Johar vibes types, but not as controversial. Like ours is thoda chill.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here.
Okay. So you want to start because I know you like the name of the first
Yeah.
game.
Riya has named this collab, stock, or talk shop. So basically, a person you want to collab with, a person you would like to stalk, and a person you would like to talk about the
Business with.
business, the industry.
Okay.
The,
Okay.
yeah.
Like Shah Rukh Khan, I wanna sit and talk about business.
But
he will
from,
give you options.
but from the creator industry.
Yeah,
I'm saying.
correct.
Yeah, okay.
So collab, stock, or talk shop.
Collab stocks.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so should we give you the first three options?
Okay.
Ruhi Dosani,
Okay.
Ori,
Okay.
Shivesh Bhatia.
Oh, nice. So Shivesh ke sath I'll definitely talk
Shop.
and shop because he's very smart like that. If you
Yeah.
talk to him, he'll give you good advices. And मैंने बात की भी हुई उससे कि मतलब why are you not opening your cafe or something?
He should, bro.
He should.
That's a
What are you
good
doing,
idea.
Shivesh? And this we had a conversation. So he's very smart. He's very mature, smart, and a person you can like talk with.
Okay.
So that I'll do with Shivesh for sure. I'll stalk Ori
Yeah.
because that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because what he's doing, stories क्या हैं,
Yeah.
क्या कर रहा है वो
The tea.
कर सकता हूँ. हाँ.
The tea,
So
yeah.
that's a fun stalk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then of course collab with Rohi.
You're
we
gonna do Bhangra
we
together.
can do a Bhangra video.
Yeah.
That's sorted.
Next one, Prajakta, Nagma, and Himanshu Dulani.
Lovely, all cuties.
Yeah.
So okay, Nagma के साथ stock तो नहीं. Nagma के साथ I can collab. I've done a lot with Nagma, so I think I'll do the conversation with
Okay.
Talk
Nagma.
shop.
Yeah, she's also very
Yeah.
smart, mature.
Cool.
Himanshu के साथ I wanna collab.
Yeah,
I will talk.
dance, you know.
We have talked so much.
Is that not happened?
नहीं, we just want to do it. But he's also उसकी injury भी हो गई थी कुछ बीच में leg की, but हम करना चाहते हैं कब से. I'll definitely Himanshu. We have to
Yes.
make.
That
a
would
video.
be a killer collab.
Yeah, that'll be. He's too. I
Bro,
love.
that
He's too
Himanshu
talented.
And Unnati's video still runs in my mind rent free.
They're both too good.
They're both too good.
मेरे को तो नहीं समझ आता भाई कैसे कर लेते हैं वो, but he's one of the best in the country. I love him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then who's Prajakta?
Prajakta Kali.
Prajakta. यार मैं collab भी करना है Prajakta के साथ, but I'll now चलो
Stalk.
stalk.
Okay.
I'll stalk you.
Collab भी कर लो.
Collab भी करेंगे.
Okay, next is Fancho,
Okay.
Komal Pandey,
Okay.
and Samay Raina.
Oh, ये कहाँ से लेके आ रहे हो आप?
From our brains.
Listen, Kanji and I have sat and brainstormed
And
ki
we
what
have
should
made
we...
sure not to put any damn fan people.
Yeah.
Yeah, because questions ऐसे ही रहते हैं ना, मेरा same उसमें रहता
पहले
है.
वाले में there was Rishabh and all. Then we were like, no, that's not fair.
So okay, Samay I'd love to collab. It'll be
Okay,
very
yeah,
fun.
insane.
Crazy.
Something is too fun. I love him. Then कौन है?
Fancho and Komal Pandey.
Pancho के साथ I can have the conversation. I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Both chill boys. I can have a good conversation. I can have a diet type of a conversation with
Yeah, with
Sham.
Sham, yeah.
And Dhruv is too fun. Dhruv के साथ I can just have masti and some fun conversation. And then
You'll stalk Komal.
I'll stalk.
Yeah, bro, our content is quite stalkable.
Yeah,
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 true.
yeah.
Yeah.
Good content.
Nice. Cool. Now, the next part of this game is you have 5 seconds and you have to name 3 things in 5 seconds which we'll ask you.
Timer डालो.
3 things.
Like,
Yeah.
I'll tell you 3 fruits.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
In 5 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's
Name. I
not
have to name it.
Huh.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
अच्छा fruit नहीं है, कुछ और होगा.
3, 2.
You are starting?
No, you say. I'm just giving her the
No, no,
countdown.
you
for
do,
the-
you do.
Okay, I'll do. Okay.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Watch brands.
Rolex, AP, and Casio.
Oh, sick. Bro, this was good, huh? Okay. Things you do at the gym besides working out.
Photos, eating, and bathing.
You eat at the gym.
Yeah, we have a good cafe in this.
Oh,
What are you saying?
Fancy gym, yeah.
We have
this
the
is.
best cafe in our gym. It has the best meals.
That's why you go to the gym consistently.
I-
That's why we don't go.
I can stay there for like 4 or 5 hours. You can have a coffee, work out, then take a shower,
And come back
then
and work-
eat.
Oh my God.
It's so fun.
Damn, bro.
Promoting my gym also.
Don't give the name. People will come there also.
Oh yeah.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Brands that start with the letter M.
Manav.
Oh!
Whoa. Manav.
Time
Arre,
out.
Manav. Oh, give me some time for the brands. How can
I thought you would say Mercedes, bro.
No, but मैं Manav पे stuck हो गया थोड़ा.
That's a good brand, huh? I feel like you're still, even though you didn't finish, he should get that point.
Yeah, because you know Unnati so well. 3 Sindhi words.
Oh shit. Oh, वापस से. Thank you.
3, 2, 1. Because you know Unnati so well. 3 Sindhi words.
छा कपे.
Okay, 1.
That's
छा
good.
कपे.
Cha kape.
छा
That time.
कपे.
Can I teach you
kape.
one very funny thing?
Yeah.
Mattheja sur.
Huh?
Mattheja sur. Like, you know how you say pain in the ass in English?
Okay.
This
Mathe.
is like a pain in the head. Like, you're giving me a headache.
It's a phrase.
It's a phrase.
Mathe ja.
Sur.
Mathe ja sur.
Yeah. Next
That
time
I can
someone...
say उन्नति का भाषा जाएगा और ना mathe ja sur वो
I'm sorry, Unnati.
mathe ja sur. I'm trying to learn Marathi and now
Learn
Sindhi.
Sindhi,
Then
yeah.
a lot of languages mix हो गया.
Okay, now this is very fun. I'm showing you some images of you and Unnati.
Okay.
You tell me where is it from. But I have like zoomed it in. Understood?
ये करवाई गई.
And you all have so many pictures. Like,
हाँ, that's why it is so
I was
difficult.
going to send the editor so he will add it upper. But what is this?
shit. This is very hard,
Yeah,
Kam.
yeah, that I know. That's from here only, Mumbai.
Like what was it?
It was a like a traditional shoot ही किया था हमने सुकून में. That was it.
Sukoon mein, yeah, that's right.
Okay. Next.
That's Dubai. That's in the Atlantis.
Damn. Kill it, bro.
Oh, that's wedding. That's Shreya's wedding.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's very easy.
NYC.
Yeah.
That's the friends experience zone.
Wow.
Do I have any here? There are more. You can.
Oh shit, मेरे को लगा हो गया. Oh, that's Gokarna.
Yes. Bro, he's too good.
Okay, last.
Oh,
That's
that's my
very easy.
favorite. Yeah, of course. That's Unnati's birthday in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Wow, bro.
Bro, you
Love
killed
that.
it. Too good.
Ooh.
My memory would not be able to do that.
Riya doesn't
killed it.
remember anything.
But you remember that story.
No, that's
You have to give us one show, movie, YouTuber, creator, anything that you would recommend. Like it's called Richie Recommends.
Yeah, we do
Okay.
it at the end of every episode.
Yeah.
okay. So what do you want?
Anything
What
that
do
you
you want to
want.
recommend to people to watch?
I watch very less things. I only watch documentaries of football.
Yeah, so something like that.
Have you watched The Last Dance?
No.
No.
Oh my god, is it a basketball documentary?
Yeah.
I've seen it.
MJ's
on
documentary.
Netflix. I haven't watched it, but I've seen it.
Then
Like,
you have to watch that.
Damn,
It's
okay.
one
The
of the
Last-
best documentaries
Really?
I've
Okay.
seen. So
it's a movie or it's like
it's a documentary.
like a season?
Docu-series.
It's like 10 episodes.
Okay, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, and MJ you can't see him in
Okay.
any of the. आप कहीं देख ही नहीं सकते हो कि MJ किसी show में है या तो he's talking to. That's his documentary, so he's like talking काफी ज़्यादा, so that's a good thing.
Crazy.
Wow, okay.
Nice recommendation. Very different from our usual because we give like
Yeah,
Gilmore
very-
Girls.
But it's not about just basketball. Unnati has seen it, and Unnati was like, I was inspired a lot after watching
Yeah.
it. So
I love actually anything like a documentary, a sports movie, anything with sports.
wow, that's making me
I
happy.
love it.
I just
makes me
I just want to
emotional.
say one thing. I hate when people say कि लड़कियां क्यों sports देख रही हैं. I hate it. एक तो finally लड़कियां sports देखना शुरू की हैं.
Yes, thank you.
If the reason is a hot driver.
Yeah,
If the reason is कि
Boyfriend
viral
is
हो रही है उनकी
watching or
documentary या
something,
उनका
yeah.
show viral हो रहा है. Whatever it is, let them watch. They're
Yeah.
having fun. Why are you ruining
What's
the fun?
harm? Just like
They are like कि अच्छा ये देख रहे हो तुम बताओ कि ड्राइवर का नाम क्या है
Oh god,
why
yeah.
why are you doing that educate them. If they don't know, tell them and let them have fun.
Yeah.
I hate it. I've seen a lot of videos, people ranting about why are girls, इनको तो ये भी नहीं पता कि फुटबॉल में ये क्या होता है, ऑफसाइड क्या होता है. Guys,
But sports is entertainment.
that- yeah.
It's supposed to be watched.
that
for
was
fun.
your dream, to watch a sports with your girlfriend. Now,
true.
now they are trying to do that, and what are you doing? And you are saying
Word.
general knowledge test.
Don't come for us.
Yeah.
Bro, genuinely,
Let
this
them
is a
watch.
thing
Yeah.
that all boys quiz girls.
Yeah.
अच्छा IPL देखते हो तो ये टीम का बताओ ना.
Literally. Name 5 players from CSK.
हाँ, मतलब उनको educate करो, and मैं और उन्नति में से पूछती है खुद कि ये है तो इसका क्या, मैं उसको बताता हूँ, and then we are sitting, and जब वो बोलती है कि वो इसने गोल मारा, and कोई random football मेरे को जो मैंने उसको कभी बताया था, I'll be so happy that she
That's
knows
so
that.
cute.
Proud moment.
Yeah, that's why I hate everything when people start hating about like people like why they drink matcha and
Yeah.
I hate it.
Yes, thank you. We have spoken about
We
this in
spoken
the
about
pod.
We have
Yeah.
spoken
Thank you
about
for
thank
bringing
you.
it up again.
Thank you, please. It has to be somewhere. Don't hate on these things.
Yeah.
I think सबका कल्चर, अभी उनका कल्चर है, उनके कल्चर का फूड है, and they are having, अब इंडिया में लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है तो let them have fun.
Yeah.
Very true.
Even when people say कि a man can't listen to a Taylor Swift song, like
Yeah.
she's
shut
an
up.
artist. Anyone
मतलब-
can listen to any music.
Have fun. जिसको जो पसंद है उसको करने दो. Don't hate on people. मेरा तो ये बस फंडा है. If they are trying to watch sports, educate them and उनके साथ बैठ के देखो. It'll be the best relationship ever. I'm
This
telling
is
you.
literally the
This is
best
the best
advice
way to end
ever.
the-
Guys, this is the best relationship
Wow.
advice. Go with concerts with your girlfriend
Yeah.
and go for football and basketball matches, cricket matches with your boyfriend. Your relationship will be sorted.
Yes. Nice
End of
way to
discussion.
end the episode.
Amazing.
Thank you so much, Mana.
Oh wow, that was
What?
insane.
No, we don't have any recommend.
We also have to give.
Huh? Give me recommendation.
I have one.
Okay, because you said that the documentary, I'm going to give you another documentary.
Okay, perfect.
Oh.
It's the Taylor Swift documentary.
Okay. So you are watching the MJ documentary
I'll tell
and
you.
I am watching
Yeah,
the Taylor
it's
Swift
Miss
documentary.
Americana and the Heartbreak Prince.
It's actually really
It's
good.
all about how when her masters got sold, how she dealt with it, what was
Okay.
happening, how is it being in the public eye, and at the same time performing on shows
Okay.
and at the back end what's happening.
Okay.
So,
Then okay, perfect. Then you watch the MJ one. I'll watch the Taylor Swift one. You watch the Coldplay documentary then.
Who's sick? Okay, I'm down to watch a Coldplay
That's, I think
documentary.
it's called
Okay,
A
fine.
Handful of Dreams, and
Okay.
it's so good.
That
It's
sounds crazy.
so good.
Is it about that concert and the back, like the behind the scenes?
No,
of
it's
that
about
concert?
how they started because
wow.
they were recording everything.
Crazy.
There's a clip. Chris Martin says कि after 4 years,
Huh.
now people like their audience were like 10 to 15 people. They were like in the college. They were like after 4 years, this date will have the most biggest show, and then cut to that show
blew up.
like
Wow.
thousands of people. It's so good.
Okay, so
How many
today
Coldplay concerts have you gone for?
3.
Okay. Kanchi, stop.
I have done my research.
Yes.
Amazing.
But more to
insane.
come. I love to go again and again.
Yeah, honestly, even I would go as many
Yeah.
times as I could. It was
Yeah.
too
It was
good.
too good.
It was too
I've
good.
never seen Unnati that happy, so that makes me happy. So
And she made a poster and all also.
yeah,
And
he
they-
read it.
They saw, na?
Yeah, he read it. He was
Yeah.
like, okay, you have been to this. Thank you so much.
Crazy. Imagine if Taylor did that to you.
It'll be just Riya and me talking then. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Good
Thank you so
recommendation.
much, Mana, for coming on the
Of
pod.
course.
We hope you had fun.
This was so fun. This was my first podcast, and I'm ready to come to all the podcasts. now. Yay!
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And
Follow Manav.
who is not?
Thank
Who's not following Manav? Yeah. Please follow
Please
us.
follow me. No, I want the Gen Z audience, guys. Please. It's mr.mnv.
Follow us and listen to us on Spotify. Do all of that and
We
like.
will see you same time next week, 8 p.m.
Bye.